Hello everyone, good morning. This is our second video in our series. So today we are going to just have a discussion about the project initiation. Okay, so before starting about project initiation, we need to understand why most of our projects fail. This is an interesting topic. So as per recent Gartner survey, I see a couple of statistics here. So Gartner survey as of 2024 says 70% of digital transformation initiatives do not reach their intended goal. And around 55% of IT projects experience a delay or an over budget. And 20 to 30% of IT projects, they're not delivering any value and abandoned altogether. So if you consider any one of these three, you can consider this as a failure of a project. So now if you look at these three things, what is the main reason behind these failures? So the very first reason what I observe is poor scope management. The scope what defines the project is not defined in a particular way. Poor stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder are anyone within the life cycle of the project, starting from your customer, your project managers, business leads, developers, test, your higher management, your sponsors, everyone, right? So if anyone miss any one of their own things while executing the project will become a failure. The third reason is planning. Now this is directly connected to how you define your requirement. There are so many other factors to define your requirement and select a proper planning way. Right. Now, the above points, the couple of points what we had discussed earlier, will also play an important role in planning your stakeholders and their interest towards the project. These two things. So now whatever we discuss after this point, first 2 points, your stakeholders and their interest towards the project, is playing a key role. Now, if you may ask me, what is the very first important step for initiating any project? Identify your stakeholders, understand their roles and responsibilities, document whatever you have till this point for starting. Now, how to identify the stakeholders is first thing. Now, how to document things is the second important thing. So project charter is a document. It's a very initial document of any project which will help you to document all these things while starting a project. So you can find a project charter as per PMBOK in the description. You can download the link, and if you have any other queries or points to discuss, you can drop a message.